everyone, today we have a new video. Today we're talking about technology, and this is mainly going to be for people that want to film or maybe do some podcasting. This is a technology video and I haven't done one in a while, and I definitely need to upgrade my sound quality. Now my microphone doesn't sound too bad, it's just that it picks up everything because it's a shotgun mic. Now, I did try out a product before, probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, and, well, the quality of that mic was just really bad, so I just sent it back. I was like, I did video, and then I'm like, I'm not publishing this. I had great reviews on Amazon, and I was kind of confused, and I'm like, you know what, I bet they're paying people to put 5-star on it. So today we're looking at the 7 rhymes iRayDW40s. Now this is for a 4-person microphone. So if you're doing podcasting, you could do a lot of them. But they had such a great deal, and this is their newest one on the market. And I was like, well, even though I don't do podcasting, I do have some podcasting stuff. And I thought about maybe setting up a podcast, but I don't have a studio built out except for this one right here. So we're going to be trying these out. We're going to be testing them, seeing how the sound quality is in this video. And hopefully this is going to be the new sound of the channel, and we'll just see how it goes. But this is going to be good for any podcasters, content creators, maybe family events that you're going to be doing stuff with your family and friends. Maybe you go out and adventure a lot and you want to just vlog all your stuff. You definitely could do this with the 7 rhymes, regardless if you're a 1-person, 2-person, 3-person, or 4-person. So let's go ahead, we'll unbox it, see how it goes, and hopefully it's great. Nice, simple unboxing. I'm going to say we have our wires in here. Little instruction manual. Definitely throwing off a factory smell. It's this stuff right here, the foam, and it doesn't smell very good. Don't know why I sniffed it though. So on the back it actually has some stuff for us. It's a 4-channel wireless microphone. It's a 1-key denoise, so I think that's taking down the noise, or maybe like a noise canceling kind of situation. It's not going to pick up background noise, which would be great. Has digital and analog output. Working range is 200 meters, which is pretty good. It's got an M/S switch. I'm not sure what an M/S switch is. Supports real-time monitoring, so I'm wondering if you can hook a headphone up to it and put it in your ear so you could hear what you're saying. The features: it's a 4-channel wireless microphone again. Supports multi-person recording. It's a 48 kilohertz 24-bit recording. Broadcasting level sound quality. Digital and analog output modes, universal for camera, phone, or PC. So you could use it in a lot of different case scenarios. Support real-time monitoring and a 1-key denoise, like I said before. Support 1-key muting, volume control, and an MS switch. I'm still not sure what an MS switch is. We're going to have to find out later on. Probably not in this video, but we'll find out later on. USB-C charging port, supports charging while using, charging and storage case, which is right here. Operating time up to 10 hours, which is really good. Low latency, less than 20 ms, working range 200 meters in an open area. So if you're going to use it in different rooms of a household, which honestly wouldn't make any sense, because unless you're running multiple cameras, I guess that could make sense, but walls and stuff is definitely going to take down that range, so be aware of that. So 200 meters is going to be open area. So there it is, opening the case. Got your transmitter in the middle, and you got your 4 wireless microphones on each side. So a nice little tiny microphone, little clip on it. Nice strength. We do have a mute button, a power button. Looks like we have our denoise button over here. And then our volume switch. I'm not sure if you guys can see that too well, but there's a volume switch there. It's just a button, so there's different levels. Mute / power button there. And then on the other side is that denoise. It's probably going to make sure that no outside noise is detected. We'll have to see if there is battery to this. And it looks like it does have an indicator. I think that's the power level maybe. There's an indicator on the bottom. I'm not sure if that's indicating, hey, this has one microphone out, or if it's just like a power level altogether. So this has the MS switch. Still not sure what that is. Your headphone is actually on here. And then let's go ahead and open this up. I think these are wind muffs. I'm thinking. We got 4 of them. Have a couple cables here. Same thing here. Same cable. I'm not exactly sure what this is here. We'll find out. Oh, okay. So these are just magnets. So I assume if you want to use a magnet, you could. I'll have to figure out how that works though. Oh, just like that. So if you don't want to use the clip, you could just use the magnet, but you have to keep the clip on. Doesn't really make too much sense, but we'll go with it anyways. And then this is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. We'll take a wind muff out as well. There's the wind muff. You do get 4 of them. And it just slides right over. Just like that. So honestly, if you're doing like interviews or podcasting, I mean, you're just holding it like that. Easy as that. You can hold it up to yourself. And it's really kind of concealed. And then you could technically do that as well. And then you don't see it at all. And you're still picking up stuff. We'll definitely have to try some different things out. The last thing is they do give you a carrying case right here. So, nice little bag. And I'm going to pause this video. We're going to hook up this mic real quick. I'm just playing with you guys. I had to be in it. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like. I hope it has great quality to it. This is actually at the highest setting, and we have denoise turned off. Now we're going to go ahead, turn on denoise. I unfortunately don't have really any background noise. I mean, it's raining outside. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear that or not. But this is with denoise on, so I don't know if there's any difference at all. And this is still at the highest setting. So let's go ahead and go to the lowest setting to see how it sounds. And I think with one thing about this that you're going to have to get used to is you're going to need to know where the buttons are, because you really can't see the light on camera too well. From my perspective, you guys can probably see it well because you're on a big screen, but I can't. So I know the volume is right there. So I'm at level 2 now. And then we're going to switch to level 3. So now this is at level 3 volume. And we're just going to have to see when I edit it what level I need, because I usually don't change the way my voice is. I do have some slight inclines or declines, just depending on the day and then how I'm like telling you a story and whatnot on everything. And who knows, maybe we can get some cool carbonation sounds out of this microphone, but we're definitely going to have to find out. I'm not going to put the wind muff on because, well, I'm just not outside. There's no wind here. I could put it on. It probably lowers the volume a little bit, but not too bad. So we're going to go ahead, change it back to the original without the denoise and see if this makes too much of a change. So now we have denoise off. Can you guys hear the cars going by? I don't know if you can hear the cars going by. There are cars going up and down the road right now. You can definitely hear the wind outside. It's raining and stuff like that. But anyways, let me know, does it sound better than my shotgun mic? If you're wondering about pricing, it's $150. They run coupons all the time. Link in the description below if you're interested in buying one. A little more expensive than what I know most people are going to pay. I think I got a coupon. Honestly, I think I paid like $110, $115, roughly somewhere around there. They had a really good deal going on. And plus, like I said, it's their newest model. And you get 4 microphones. I mean, how can you beat that? 4 microphones, a transmitter, charging box, all in one, ready to go. Don't have to worry about a thing. Now, for some people, you might be like, well, I don't know if I really need 4 microphones, and I'm the same way, but what are your other options? All the name brand ones, you get 1 or 2 mics, and it's still going to cost you $150 to like $300, so for a decent microphone. So you might as well get the 4 if it's a good quality mic. But anyways, other than that, I'll stop wasting your time. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. More videos are to come. We're going to be doing a grill video next, and that's why I had to test this microphone, because we are going to be outside. And if this has the standard that I'm hoping it does, we're going to be using it. We're going to be taking the videos outside for the next one. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Take care, and I'll see you later. Bye bye now.